It's almost 5 a.m.
or very early in the morning to prepare those.
Yeah. There's jollof rice, there's fried yam, and then there is fried rice. But there's no dodo, no plantain. Like, how am I supposed to eat? I'm not happy. Let's go. I'm not eating again. No, sorry. How can they not put plantain? And this is Nigeria. Just, wing it. With what? I should eat rice and yam.
12 seconds later.
Hello, my name is Dana, and this is what I'm having. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great. You think the side it's just custard, right? Yeah, custard and take that out. So it tastes like, oh. Okay. My sister said it's good, so first try of their own. Eddy corn soup, fish and chicken. The what? Because if I was abroad, babe, I would record myself. If I was abroad, I would record anything I want to record, and I don't think anybody ever stops me. I understand other people might be recording. I understand that other people might be, showing. Privacy. But at the same time, you're people are like tourists. They record everything. Exactly.
Several days later.
Pretty much just having one of the worst toothaches I've ever had in a long time. I'm getting my tooth taken out tomorrow. extracting this one right here. Can't wait to extract, bro. I'm so annoyed.
A few moments later.